Me nah play. Me nah play. Me nah play. Me nah play. Me done. Me done. Me nah play. Me nah play. Me say me done. I am not playing. I am finished. Welcome to Jamaican culture with Shar. 5 aspects of Jamaican culture: music, history, dance, art, and the Jamaican patois. What is music? Music is a therapy. Music moves people. Music connects people in ways that no other medium can. It teaches us about language. It's how we celebrate. It connects you to others. Music makes people come together. Yes, come together. Come together. It creates controversy and progressive positivity. It helps us find our identity. Music. What is music to Jamaican culture? The music of Jamaica includes Jamaica music and many popular genres: dub music, dancehall, reggae fusion, and related styles. Music. If you find this video informative, helpful, please like, thank you, share, subscribe, and I thank you as always for watching. Yeah man, thanks for watching.